In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic currency conversion for Stripe payments. This feature is often called adaptive pricing in Stripe, and it lets your customers see prices in their own local currency while you still get paid in your default currency behind the scenes. It's a great way to reduce friction at checkout and make your payment experience feel much more familiar to buyers around the world. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account and that you have access to the dashboard for the correct business. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, quickly double check that you're in the right one so you don't end up changing settings in a test account or the wrong live environment. Once you're logged in, start on your Stripe Home dashboard. This is the main overview page you see right after signing in, where you can view recent payments, balances, and key metrics. From here, we're going to navigate to the settings area where adaptive pricing lives. Look toward the navigation options for anything related to checkout or payment settings. In that area, you'll usually see a More drop-down tab or menu that expands additional options. Click on that More drop-down. This reveals a few advanced or less commonly used features that aren't shown by default on the main screen. Inside that expanded list, look for the option labeled Adaptive Pricing. This is Stripe's term for automatically converting and localizing prices for your customers. Go ahead and click on Adaptive Pricing to open its dedicated settings page. You should now see a page specifically about adaptive pricing and currency conversion. Here, Stripe may give you a short description of what the feature does, and sometimes you'll see information about how it affects customer experience, fees, or pricing rules. Take a moment to read through any explanation so you understand how it will apply to your checkout. On this page, find the toggle next to Enable Adaptive Pricing. This toggle controls whether automatic currency conversion is turned on for your Stripe checkout sessions. When the toggle is off, customers will typically see prices only in your default currency. When you turn it on, Stripe will automatically display prices in supported local currencies based on the customer's location or payment method. Click the toggle to switch it on. Once it changes state, your new setting is active. You may want to test this by creating a test checkout session and viewing it from a browser configured for a different country or currency, just to confirm everything looks as expected. That's all you need to do to enable automatic currency conversion for Stripe payments using adaptive pricing.